Road trip.
My calculation, hour and 40. Where are we going?
Fuels. We're going to somewhere beginning with a B. Is that right?
Focused on you, I can't do
Beyond
Borg?
York and then another like 40-50 minutes on the clock, on the nav. And we're already like deep in the mountains, so I'm wondering where the hell we're staying.
We're making it.
We're making it.
In this world.
Cruel, cruel world.
Is the world our oyster or is it our salmon? It's crazy.
But Stewie's got some final words to say.
Mine's alright on folks. I know.
This is the room we're staying in tonight.
Look at that. Holy moly. Ooey bobble. Welcome back. This is day 4 of Sweden, I think. And we're out at the Abisko National Park. We're staying just down there. We've put our sun cream on. I've got my GoPro on. We are ready to rumble. I mean, just look around. There's going to be some bangers today.
He's not wrong.
Yeah. I'm going to crack open the 200 600 when I'm starting to feel like it. If we die by bear, at least it'll be funny. Not for us.
I really hope it's recorded anyway. You get 250 quid from you in frames if you do.
Oh, I know, yeah, we would definitely get that money. Any words you want to say to the cam?
Beeben. And let's go take some Beeben photos.
The other one back there was wrong. Almost died. Wow, oh wow. Okay. That's really unstable. I'm just rolling my finger.
Thoughts?
Yeah, pretty much. I haven't sun creamed my legs, but it's fine, they don't burn. There's so much hair on them.
Natural barrier. That is crazy.
Bird, yeah. Kestrel is covering. I can't see it. How far?
The Kestrel is there.
Let me get a bit closer. Oh my god.
Yes.
These are birds in the field. Little mini ones. So cute.
Walks, photography walks in Beeben. That water is so clear. My sweat just became too violent. they were subject to a life of trauma and abuse. So I've had to put the GoPro away to stop tightening my mask, aka my baggy t-shirt. Whoa! Stewie is just doing two things. Crossing snow in July. Something I never thought I'd do. Don't tell the husband about that one. Yeah.
I'm side-eyeing you.
We're getting dinner.
It looks insane.
It's dark.
Flaliette, Fleedadoo. Somewhere.
I feel like that's not the name, but yeah, we carry
we're
on.
We're winging it.
We out here. Oh, I didn't want you to hold that. I was gonna selfie. Keep that view. Is opened up.
Look at that. Road trip. Road trip. Oh, bro's trying to act nonchalant.
Big old glacier.
Glacier.